It's Jake from Westcott, and today we're going to be going over the L60-B. There are a few ways to power up your L60-B. Included in your kit is an AC adapter. Simply just plug it in and hold down the power button to power on. Included with your L60-B's power supply is a lanyard that allows you to hang the power supply onto your light stand. Another way to power on your L60-B is with the L60-B battery grip. You can simply remove your L60-B from the light stand, attach it directly on the mount, tighten it up, and plug in. From there, you can simply use it handheld without being plugged in, or attach it to a light stand, and you're ready to go. The L60-B battery grip uses MPF batteries. You can use the 970, 750, and 550 MPF batteries. There's one more solution when it comes to powering up your L60-B. You can power it up from D-tap to barrel. Compatible batteries are 14.4 volt and 14.8 volt. Simply plug in your D-tap cord that is sold separately, and then just plug it right into your L60-B. Let's go over the L60-B button layout. Firstly, we have the CCT and FX button, then we have a dim and Bluetooth, and then lastly the power button. Let's go ahead and hold that down and power it on. So first, we'll go ahead and dim the light. From here, with the dim function, you can power up the intensity or power it down depending on how bright you want the L60-B to be. With the CCT button, you can change the color temperature anywhere from 2700 Kelvin all the way to 6500 Kelvin. Let's talk about some of the other functions on the L60-B. Let's talk about Bluetooth. From here, you can simply turn off the Bluetooth or turn it on. Once it's on, if you want to sync it with our Westcott Studio Link app, simply hold down the button until it starts to blink, and that enables the pairing. To update the firmware on your L60-B, simply hold down the CCT and FX button for 10 seconds. Once this is held down for 10 seconds, it will show a firmware update screen and then tell you to connect to the Westcott Studio Link app, and from there, you can update your firmware. Let's talk about FX. Simply click the FX button, and from there you can select FX from 0 to 9. Once you select your FX, click it again to change the frequency, which this changes the speed of your FX. Click it again to lock it in. From there, you can still have full control over your CCT and intensity. For CCT, simply just rotate it to whatever color you would like. And then for the intensity, you can still rotate and change. Let's talk about modifiers. The L60-B comes equipped with a mini mount, which will work with Westcott's mini mount accessories. Included with your kit is a Ultra Reflector. To attach, just simply line up the pegs at the top here and rotate clockwise. You'll hear the click in and you'll know it's attached well. To remove the 45-degree Ultra, simply pull the back of the release tab and rotate counterclockwise to remove. Also included in your L60-B is a mini mount switch insert, which will allow you to attach many of the Westcott Rapid Box modifiers. And it's the same concept. You simply just line up your pegs, rotate clockwise to lock in, and then to remove, simply pull back the release tab and twist counterclockwise. To those of you who may be new to the Rapid Box switch line, I'm going to show you how to insert your mini mount switch insert to an Octa S. Simply just line up here, there are 3 little pegs, just slide it right in there. And then pull back the release tab in the back to lock it in, and then lock down your locking nut. And from there, you can attach this to your L60-B. Simply open up the Rapid Box switch modifier, and same concept, you just line up the pegs, rotate clockwise, and lock it in. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down in the section below, or reach out to Westcott Customer Service. Thanks.